Hey friends, hey y'all, I'm CoCoDenise and today I have another unboxing for Co-vember. Now this one is Polene and I am unboxing the Number Dix, okay? In case you don't know what that means number 10, okay? I hope I said it right. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Why does it look like my box is already, it looked like someone had already tried to get into my box. Now I looked at the return label and it says it came from Spain, but this is a French company. I guess they make some in Spain. Let me know guys if you know. Okay, so it's an all white box. And I love it when a company puts the extra stuffing in here correctly so that the box doesn't move. So 10 points for Polene for doing that. Because I'm always like, you put a box in here, but the box can still move. You put a box in a box and the box is moving around. That don't make sense to me. It don't make sense. No. Let me stop. Okay, this is a substantial box. It's a very sturdy box, okay? You hear that? This is a substantial box, okay? It says Polene here. It's the exact same color. It's like engraved right here. So you're not gonna be able to see that because it's gonna be washed out. Let's see what we have though. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to sit it down for a minute to open it. Okay, presentation is here. Presentation is here. This is the Numero Dix. Okay, oh yeah. Hopefully y'all can see that. Please. I don't know if y'all can see, but what it's saying is it's showing you all the different ways that you can wear the strap. It's not in English. Oh, okay. So first it's in French, and then under that is in English. So it's telling you how you can wear. Comes with two straps, and both straps you can wear crossbody. So it's going to be a shorter strap for shoulder and crossbody, and then it's going to be a longer strap for crossbody. It's a long crossbody or long shoulder is what they're calling it. Very cutesy, very demure. Okay. Uh-oh. Tissue paper has, it looks like peas. It's like two peas stuck together. Okay. Very cutesy, very demure. Wait, is it in the... Okay, yeah, it is. I couldn't tell if it was actually in the dust bag or if the dust bag was on top. Nothing else is in there. Polene. Smells really good and it is wrapped quite nicely. Let's see with this dust bag. Okay, it's folded under the dust bag. So if I pull it all the way out and it's a drawstring, this is a good dust bag. It's just like the other Polene I have. And as you see, it says Polene here. Nothing on the back. But this would be a cute bag to add straps to it, to be honest. But anyway, let's get to the bag, okay? Okay, it's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. It's my first impression. It's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know, I thought it was bigger than this. So I got the Numero Dix. I got the Numero Dix in the stone color in the smooth leather. I wanted this bag since last year and they had a pre-order for it, but they didn't have a color that I wanted, and I've been looking for the gray bag that I love. And this is definitely the gray color that I love. And look, this is what I really love about this bag. I love these little dangly straps right here on both sides. I think that is super cute. So cute. All right, so where's my other strap at? I guess it's in the bag, maybe? I'll be right back while I take this off, okay? Y'all, I finally got all of the wrapping off, and it's a little like bended up, but I'm sure but look at it. I love these little dangles. I love them. I'm pretty sure this is a short strap, which is the one I'm gonna be using. Yeah, I'm not gonna, where is my strap though? Okay, let's look in the inside. So far, let's go on the outside. There's no pockets on the outside. This is not a pocket. This is not a pocket. It has Polene, very demure on the front, and it's in gold. It is gold hardware with the gray bag, but it's very, 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 very minuscule, okay? All right, okay, I was about to say, oh wait, maybe this is a short strap. Okay, so I think maybe this is the short strap. This is the short strap, and they already put the long strap. Yeah, I think this one is the long strap. Okay, so it looks like I won't be using the short strap. Okay, there's a tag here, and pretty much it's just the maintenance, and it's telling you that it's Italian, full grain, smooth calf leather, 100% velvet microfiber lining. Then it has it in like a whole bunch of different languages. I believe you guys are crooked, but I can't tell. You look crooked to me. And have y'all noticed I'm in a new environment? So because it's wintertime and the sun sets like so early, I had to come to my little library. So this will be my other nook, little corner area where I think I'll be doing recordings. There is an interior slip pocket right here. I don't know if I'll be using that, but super cute, super cute. I like it. I like it. It is the color that I was looking for. I just need to make sure that it matches my gray Uggs. It definitely does. I have 2 pair of gray shoes. I have gray Uggs, and I also have gray. I have gray Uggs, and then I also have some gray knee-high boots that I've had for many, many, many years. I hope it matches the Uggs though. It looks a little lighter. Looks a little lighter. Okay, this looks more like the color here. So yeah, this looks more like the color, but I'll show you guys what can fit in, and then I'll also show you guys how it looks. Now again, this is the long strap. This is the strap I will be wearing. This looks like a lot of work to do the short strap. So this is definitely the short strap, because it's gonna go like up here. Yeah, I won't be doing the short shoulder strap. I'll be doing this one, which, to be honest, this right here, it looks like a short strap. All right guys, so I'm gonna be switching out of my Nikki baby into my Polene bag. So you already know I don't carry much, so for me this will be perfectly fine. First thing I have is a pad. I have my restorative hand cream. This is from Bath and Body Works. I probably will put my pad in the little interior slip pocket there, and then everything else will just go in here. Okay, I have my newest lip gloss, which is the Fenty Heat. and I'll show y'all when I get done. Fenty Heat. I got my Kylie lip gloss also. Look, I have a lot of lip gloss because I am really going through it. I have Burt's Bees, which is another one. I'm gonna put this right here. I have the cleaning cloth for my glasses. I always have that. I have my keys, Pepsid AC. I have a Claritin in here. I have a hair tie. I have Ricola cough drop. I have a button. I need to figure out where that button is from. Oh, I have a lot of lippies, huh? I have, this one is Vaseline. Let me see what this one is. Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I have my hand sanitizer. All right, so it fits a good amount. So this is all of that. I mean, I still have a lot of room. Where's my phone? I have the S24 Plus. That fits just fine. I also have room for scissors, which I won't be carrying scissors. Can this book fit in here? Nope. You can see that I have a lot of room in here, and you can stretch it like this to get your own hand in so it doesn't scratch. Now for me with these zip purses, I always find that with the zip purses, the zipper scratches my wrist, so I always stretch mine open like that before I go in. But I am rubbing my hand across the zipper, and I do feel like it scratches a little bit. That's just my personal opinion. It's not too heavy. The actual bag is very light, so that's very promising. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and zip her. I like how long this is. It's 2 pieces. It's like a folded piece of leather, and it's long enough so that you can grab it and go. Okay, it zips easily. Here she is. Guys, I did want to check and make sure that my Uggs match my new Polene Numero Dix, and I am so happy that they do. Here are my Uggs. Okay, well the purse is a little lighter, but to me, I'm gonna wear them together. Yeah, why do Uggs look so dark on the screen? It doesn't look that off here. Yeah, so this is what I'll be wearing this purse with. I'm super excited. Now I do have another Kurt Geiger purse, which is like a furry gray purse that I wear. But this one, most likely this one will be more, I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna wear this one more, but we'll see.
Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low, unlearning all that was wrong.
And finally, we can discuss the things that I have already returned from Co-vember. I know, I am the return queen. What can I say? If I don't love it, I'm not keeping it, okay? So from the Uggs, I returned the Stone Uggs, and I also returned the Chelsea boots. So hear me out. The Stone Uggs, I returned them because of the bottom. The sole of them was not the same color as advertised online. And then I returned the Chelsea, which I'm still contemplating, but I returned them because I absolutely love those boots. Let me tell you, I absolutely love them, but they just don't have a place in my wardrobe. I tried them on with all of my favorite outfits, and I tried them on with wide leg pants. I tried them on with my new 70s flare jeans that I have, and they just didn't go. It just didn't go with any of the stuff that I have. So they would literally just be sitting there. And then for the totes, I returned the Vince Camuto tote. I returned that one because the drop, again, beautiful tote, is leather. I returned it because of the strap drop. When I put it on, it was too tight. It was too tight here, and it just was something I just couldn't get over. I didn't want to, especially since it didn't have a zipper too, and it barely fit, and when I put on a coat, it didn't fit at all. I also returned that beige purse that I got from TJ Maxx. So the only tote that I kept was the Steve Madden one, which I absolutely love. I kept it, and that's it. So far, I mean, I know I did a lot of unhauling, but the only thing that I kept was that Steve Madden bag, the Steve Madden faux fur tote, and then I kept the blue Uggs. Those are the only things. And the Uggs, in case you missed those videos, I'll have them down in the description. But the Uggs were the mini in blue. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed my Co-vember unboxing for today, Polene. So far, I believe I am going to keep the purse, but again, I wear my purses around the house. I do not take the tags off anything new because every dollar I work for is, you know, important. I want all of my coins, okay? I don't want to buy anything that I don't love. I don't want to keep anything that I don't love. So I will be trying these on with some of my outfits. I'll be making sure the strap doesn't hurt my shoulder. I'll be making sure that it's a good fit crossbody for me on my shoulder, and just making sure that I love the bag and I want to keep the bag. I love the look of it. It's it's like in between a crescent and a saddle bag, and I love the smooth leather. I am a little weary about that also because smooth leather tends to scratch more. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, subscribe for the vibes. No, seriously, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and it encourages me to keep going. On top of that, make sure you like the video and turn your notifications on, because I will have unboxings all of Co-vember. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.